Welcome to AI Catalogue. With AI Catalogue, you can select, bookmark, and organize essential resources for your research or projects. Save assets and educational content. Who is this tool for? Researchers in academia, industry, and European projects. What can you expect? Organize and bookmark assets. Access to educational resources. Now that you know what AI Catalogue offers, let's explore how to use it step by step. Let's start navigating within the app. Dark light mode. The user can easily switch between dark mode and light mode depending on their preference. Assets metadata overview. Assets' most relevant metadata can be viewed in two different display modes, cards or rows, offering flexibility depending on your needs. Asset filtering. To quickly find relevant assets, the user can filter by category or platform. Asset search. The user can search for assets from the search bar. For a more refined experience, she can click on the Enhanced Search checkbox and type in a prompt, which activates a powerful large language model, allowing for more precise and descriptive searches. Asset detailed view. By clicking on any asset card, a detailed view of the asset is shown, providing more information about that item. Saving asset. Adding to users' bookmarks. Login required. If the user wants to save an asset for later, they'll need to be logged in first. User login. Clicking on the login button will redirect to the EGI check-in login page. Saving asset, adding to users' bookmarks from Catalog's main screen. Once logged in, an asset can be bookmarked with a single click from the Catalog's main screen. Saving asset, adding to users' bookmarks from Assets Detailed View. Browsing users' bookmarks. The user can see her list of all previously saved assets by navigating to My Bookmarks. Removing bookmarks. To remove an asset from bookmarks, simply click on the Delete icon. With just a few steps, AI Catalogue takes you from browsing to bookmarking and organizing your research assets, all in one place. Try AI Catalogue on AIOD today.